This functionality is used for sending a purchase order copy to your supplier once you have created a purchase order in Orderhive. Let's go through the process. Go to Purchases and select the PO for which an email has to be sent to the supplier, and select the email option. If you have kept the options of Ask Every Time I Print or Download as on, you can select a template every time while emailing the PO. Keeping it off means Orderhive will use the Start template as default while emailing a PO. Select the PO template you wish to use. You can use standard or customized templates you created from purchase setting. You can also customize the format in which the PO gets created. You can also customize the email templates from the email settings. You can find it in our email setting video. Select your format and then click on Done. The email address of the supplier will be pre-filled to whom you are raising the purchase order. This field can be modified if required while emailing. Enter any other email ID if you want to put in the CC field. Multiple email addresses can be entered and separated with a comma. The Reply To field will have the email address that is set in the customer correspondence email in the profile settings. In the Message field, you can type any message for the supplier as the email body. A PO in PDF format will be sent as an attachment. Lastly, click on Send to send the email. Please note that the purchase order can be emailed to suppliers at any stages of the purchase. That's all you need to know to email a PO to your suppliers. If you have any more queries, click on the chat icon to talk to a product expert. Thanks for watching. Happy selling!